Hello everyone, welcome to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make eggless fruit and nut cake. Let's start. First, I am adding 150 ml of oil, 100 grams of sugar powder, mix them well. Sugar and oil are mixed well. Now I am adding in 100 grams of maida, 100 grams of milk powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of baking soda. After adding maida, we have to mix it in cut and fold method. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of milk. Add milk gradually, little by little. Now I am adding vanilla essence. I am adding nuts coated in dry maida. Cake batter is ready. Now let's start baking. First I am switching on the Navigino to level 6. To bake cake, I am using 24 centimeters high. Set the audio tone to roasting window. Audio tone is connected with mobile app. It has reached roasting window. I am switching off the audio tone. Switching the Navigino to level 0. Place our pot in inverted lid. Pour in the prepared batter. I am adding the remaining nuts. In residual heat, I am going to bake the cake for 10 minutes. Residual heat is completed. I am setting the Navigino to level 1. In baking window, I am setting for 10 minutes. Baking time is completed. Eggless fruit and nut cake is ready.